Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is a little different as I'm gonna be doing my first get ready with me. You see the setup? It's a little different. It's gonna be real easy for us to get ready together now. So the reason I'm doing this get ready with me video is because today is a special day. I'm going to the NAACP Image Awards. But I'm gonna be going with Black Radiance, you guys, okay? This is like a full circle opportunity. We'll talk about that more in the chit chat, but by the time this video obviously comes up, it will have already happened. You guys have probably already seen the look that I wore, but I figured you'd wanna know. Well, pop. So I'm gonna be doing a full face beat using all Black Radiance products, obviously. Let's get this going. All right, so first I'm starting out with the HD primer. Let me get the face, look at that. It's got pigment, y'all. So you guys really might want to stick around to the end of this video because there may or may not be a giveaway. So check it out to the end. So for today's look, I'm going to be wearing a yellow dress, and y'all know already mustard yellow is your girl's like favorite color, and I actually was able to find a yellow dress, y'all. The hunt was so real. So if you guys watched my other video where I was hunting for a dress for Patrick's party, y'all know I love me some Santee Alley. It's in LA. It's like a big flea market, y'all. Like it's crazy. You can essentially find any and everything that you're looking for. So guys, I ended up getting 3 dresses. Really, Keith? I know, don't judge me. Honestly, I was just indecisive and I wasn't finding the yellow dress. I'm gonna use this HD concealer under my brow attack. The first day that I went looking for a dress, if I had turned left instead of right, I basically would have found this yellow dress on the first hunt, first day, first try. But no. You know what, God does what he does. So all I know is that I have 3 dresses now, and the next time I have an event, I ain't even sweating this again, because I'll have something, yo. There's one thing God is showing me this year, it's just stay ready so you don't have to get ready. I want to stay ready, so I just feel like no matter what, even if I can't see what the opportunity is yet, I just want to be ready for them. So it's like prepare for what you pray for. Then we're going to move on to the eyes. So I feel like I'm going to kind of stick with what I normally do, but I want to do a gold eye with a little, not a cut crease, but you know, just a little like brown in the lid, in the crease, just to give me a little definition. So right now I'm using this, I don't know what color you'd call it, but it's the Eye Appeal palette in bold browns. Sounds like right up my alley. So I'm gonna use this as my transition color. Then I'm gonna use this color here. It's like a deep kind of purpley, kind of brown, but I'm mixing it with the brown anyways. That's gonna be in my crease here. Okay, now I'm going on, I'm just gonna add my favorite now, guys, gold. All this is still from the same palette, the bold brows palette. So we're gonna add the gold on top of my lid. I struggle to talk and do makeup at the same time. I cannot lie to you, okay? If you see all these faces that I make? I'm not alone, right? I know I'm not alone. Do you guys do your makeup like that too? Just pure faces? Trying to get in there, trying to get the right angles, you know? Huh. We're gonna blend, blendy, big blend. Then I'm gonna use this bold and sexy liquid eyeliner. Oh, wrong side. Well, it has 2 sides. It has like a jumbo side that's still very thin from the side angle. And then on the other side, it's got the like super fine, looking like a marker vibe. And that's the side I'll be using. I'm gonna double up this lash situation. So I'm gonna use these ones, these 2 from the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna put on the Demi Wispy vibes first. Oh snap, that was fast. And then I'm gonna put the next pair right on top. There we go. I wanted to look kind of natural, but a little more drama than just one lash by itself. Okay, I'm gonna use this Relentless mascara underneath so that my lashes and the fake lashes can join forces. Next up, your homegirl needs some correcting because Mother Nature hasn't been so kind of late. All around this muzzle area where these pimples are. Okay. Okay. How we looking? How we looking? Then I use the Color Perfect oil-free foundation in Brownie. And I actually like to apply my foundation with, it's like a blush brush, but I like it because I basically do like a stippling effect with it, y'all, and it works for me. Okay, sometimes you just gotta make up your own rules, you know. You gotta do what works for you. So let's talk about this full circle situation here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've heard me say this before, but you might be new here, so I'm looking out for y'all too who don't know what Wop Pop. Black Radiance was the first foundation that I ever found, okay, to match my chocolate skin. I grew up in Ontario, Toronto, the greater Toronto area, which is in Canada, guys. And I know a lot of us feel neglected in the market, but when you grow up in Canada, you're non-existent as a dark-skinned girl in the makeup world. Like, forget about it, okay? There was nothing I could find to match my skin color. I was just like, bye-bye. So I heard basically that if we went across the border, we would get more options in Buffalo. And somebody had told me about Black Radiance. So I drove over to Buffalo, which if you're from the GTA, y'all know we all do this drive because it's clutch in preparing for life. But anyways, so we drive over to Kmart to go and get Black Radiance, and y'all, when I say I stocked up, I stocked up. There was no games I was playing. I said, yo, I need all the colors. Okay, so now I'm using the HD corrector, mixing these two shades together to give me my highlight action happening here. Yeah, anyways, drove over to Buffalo, found that foundation. I couldn't believe how many colors there were. Like, not just for dark-skinned Black women. Women of color of all shades. Like, they had us covered. So I stocked up and bought, not just for myself, but for anybody I could think of, essentially. So I kind of bought the whole line of foundations and brought it back with me. Because as a lot of you know, I'm a hairstylist and I used to do makeup sometimes too, so I was like, let me just get these just in case. So basically, bring that back around full circle. Who the heck would have thought and who would have known that one day I'd be going to the NAACP Image Awards with Black Radiance? Like, me as that teenage girl driving across the border with my mom. Like, y'all, you just never know what's gonna happen in life. You just never know. So I think that that's pretty cool. I know a lot of people are upset right now at a lot of brands for a lot of things. And I mean, I think you have a right to be upset, no doubt. But I think there's a lot of brands that have been out there holding us down from the beginning. And I don't know why we keep looking to these brands that don't care about us. Okay, now I'm going to bake because it's gonna be a long night. And your girl ain't trying to be looking like crusty because I don't have a bag that is big enough to carry my whole life. So like the makeup's just gonna have to stay. It's gonna have to stay. Stay, okay? We gonna let you bake a little. Oh, and I'm gonna use this deep corrector concealer that they have for my contour. Anyways, like I was saying, I know a lot of people are upset right now. I'm not gonna mention what I'm gonna mention, but you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. And I feel like we keep expecting brands that never included us from the beginning to somehow be good at including us. I think sometimes we need to support what's been including us since 1992, you know, since 1992 is always my reference point for when I say it's been a long time. But yeah, so for me personally, Black Radiance Y'all got a place in my heart. Thank you for holding down the sister. Because when she thought she couldn't wear makeup, y'all showed up and said, hey, boo-boo, I got you. And I said, thank you. Thank you. So that's my little story, y'all. I think it's pretty cool. I'm excited about tonight. You know when you're just like, I'm gonna have a good time. I'm gonna have a good time. To be in a room filled with inspiration, you guys, like I love that inspiration. Oh, thrive off that stuff, love that stuff. And I love being surrounded by my people and feeling like, wow, all this greatness. Like the NAACP has done so much for our progress, y'all. Like I'm here right now in this situation because of what other people have fought for, what people like the NAACP have fought for. So thank you. And I know I'm gonna get in my feelings probably while I'm there at some point. Okay, so we just give my nose a little snatchery, just a little, because your girl ain't got no nose bridge, so she needs to give herself a little one. Not like a big one, you know, just a little nose bridge. Are we coming together yet? Are we coming together yet? Okay, I think so. I think so. All right, I'm not gonna let this bake too long because I'm still gonna put another powder on top. So let's just dust some of this off. I was struggling as well to decide on what I should do with my hair because I wanted to do like a braided style initially. And I don't know. I was like, let me keep it, don't. Just don't. Because sometimes I want to do these things that I didn't do ahead of time. And I'm often late, like right now. And yeah, and then I want to do these styles that are going to take me time. Like, girl, just chill. Just chill. Do what you know is going to be fairly quick, but still look great. So and then if the other part is, if I did it and I hate it, that's a problem. So, okay, we gotta set. Lots of powder happening right now. Lots of powder. So I'm using this warm hazelnut now to set. Now we're going back on top because we need some pigment up in here. Let's do this with some pigment. This is my area right here, y'all. I have to set it with so much powder so your girl is not creasing like a mug. How are we looking on the side? We blended or not? I have to always check myself in like 5 different lightings before I actually leave my house because, you know, different lightings expose different things that you may not have seen. Okay, I think we're coming together. So that one was warm hazel that I did on my face, and then I'm gonna use Bronze Glow. As you can see, I've been using it a lot under my eye because I need a bronze glow under my eye. All right, how we looking, y'all? How we looking? Now we're gonna move on to some blush. I kill this blush. You know, I'm one of those people when I like something, I think it goes with everything, so nobody can tell me anything. So this one is Warm Berry, and y'all have seen me use this in other videos before, but I kill it. It is my blush. It's my blush. It warms me up, this warm berry. I smile and it helps give dimension to my face. Yes, warm berry. Next up, we're gonna use this joint right here. This highlight right here is so pretty. You guys tell me when too many layers. It's too many. I'm waiting, y'all. If y'all don't tell me, I'm about to put on 5 more layers. Alright, let's get my, this is actually my favorite part to highlight, is like right here, the tip of my nose. I do a little here too, but I'm like, I get so hype on the little tip because it's just so cute, and I'm like, hey, how are we looking? For my lips, I kill this color. It doesn't have a name. It's just called 5403. And it's a nude by Black Radiance that I absolutely murder. Murder them. Murder them. I was gonna do a red lip, and then Daniel was like, nah. And I'm like, boy, what you know? But then I was like, he right. So I'm gonna use this brown lip definer. So I'm basically gonna go with a nude lip. But this is like the dark skin girl nude lip. At least that's what I call it. You know what's nice about this brown is it's nice and warm. Like even on its own, it's a pretty color. And then we're gonna put this on the inside and blend it out. I think we're done. What do you guys think? How complete do I look with this hair? We're gonna do like a low pony. I'm gonna slick these kinks back. Okay, let me go and lay this hair right now. Finished looks. I decided to go with these like white earrings because I love pops of color. Not that my yellow dress was not enough of a pop of color, but I don't know. I just enjoy wearing these earrings. All right, guys. I can't zip up the dress my damn self right now. I can get like the bottom part hooked. I'm trying to do it right now, like as we speak. Here again. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Patience is a virtue. Just Daniel's coming home soon. I'm gonna wait till he comes and then I'm gonna get it together. Okay, guys, we about to do a giveaway. A giveaway. 2 winners will receive 5 Black Radiance items of their choice, honey. So that means you could get a foundation match. You could get your favorite Black Radiance lipstick. You could get your favorite pressed powder, whatever. 5 items, 2 winners. And all you have to do is comment below and let me know an accomplishment that the NAACP has done. Okay, guys. All right. I'm gonna head out now because I'm obviously late. I need Daniel to come and zip me up. So hopefully he comes home right now. Right now. All right, guys. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit